I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is my first video, you guys. Okay. Hi you guys, welcome to my channel, Luna Be on the Cam. So today we are going to be installing this wig. I know most of you may have thought this was going to be a makeup tutorial video, but not today. So we are going to be installing this wig from my cousin's hairline, or her collection line. It is called Her Collection LLC. You can find her on Instagram at Simply Stone, on Facebook, Ashanti Bankston. This is her capless wig, lace front, 26 inches Brazilian hair. These are also one of the wigs that she wears majority of the time. She curled it for me before she sent it to me. She pre-plucked it and gave me baby hairs as well. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. So excited. Ugh, girl, put your gut away. Lord have mercy, y'all. Tell me I look a mess. Lord have mercy. It's alright, because after this video, we gonna tuck it up. We gonna put it in. Alright, back to this collection. She also sells lashes as well. I think I got a pair of Melodies in jade. I'm not sure. I forgot. But yeah, it does not come with the tweezers that are in there. Those are my tweezers, but it does come with a business card and spoolie, and it comes with lip gloss as well. Her lip gloss is handmade from all natural ingredients, which I love because it's so nice and smooth and thin. It's not thick like most lip gloss you would buy. Awesome. So now let's get right into this wig. My lighting is bad. I'll fix it. Cool. Now right into this cap. Okay, so I would recommend getting a cap, maybe one shade lighter, maybe two, because you are going to tint it with some. I tint mine with eyeshadow, maybe sometimes foundation. But yeah, and be sure to make sure you try on the lace to see how much of a tint you need. But yeah, so I poked my holes in it, wrapped around my ears. We're gonna get this. Got to be more careful. But we are gonna get this got to be spray. We're gonna comb it through. I think I stuck my tongue out on my girlfriend just then. But yeah, so yeah, get this blow dryer, get the got to be, run and brush through and make sure those edges down. Then we're gonna cut the cap around your hairline. My hairline is kind of weird, so just make sure you cut very closely, but be careful if those scissors are sharp, because mine are sharp. So next we are going to get your bonding glue. I use Boho Active, about 3 layers of that. Once it dry, I'm going to lay this wig down and be like, girl, what lace? Lace where? Baby hair who? You say what? So we are going to grab our glue, something wooden or metal, and apply this glue around our hairline.
The time has come for this cookie! Nom 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 nom. Oh, nom 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 nom. Bye bye. 6 months later.
Y'all, please don't mind me, I am goofy. But yeah, so now that this glue is dry, takes a minute, but now that it is dry, we are going to align the wig hairline with your hairline. So I just try to give it my best measurements, my best adjustment. I press down. Then we are going to grab your metal comb again Yep, grab that comb, and then we're going to comb it forward. So when we're combing it forward, it just makes sure that the glue is combining with the scalp so that it is bonding together, and it also makes the hairs look natural as you're applying this. So just comb it forward, make sure it's on there really good and tight, make sure it's just where you want it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go back through and grab those pieces of baby hair out. Lord have mercy, can't talk. Baby hairs out. So I did cut one side of my lace off camera just to make sure it was how I wanted it to be, and I am going to do this other side on camera with you guys. So after cutting my one side and brushing it out thoroughly, I check to see how much it sheds, because I do not like shedding hair. I know we all do not like shedding hair. That is probably the grossest thing to me, is individual stranded hair. It's just nasty. But this is the ball of hair that came from the wig after brushing and cutting it, which wasn't much. So yeah, and that is another thing I liked about this wig. Did not shed as much at all like most wigs would do, so it is a good quality wig. Does not shed a lot if you maintain it and treat it as if it is your hair. I do have braces, you guys, so a lot of tongue twisters happen for me. But yeah, treat the hair as it is yours. It does come out to be a really great wig in the end. So yeah, now we are going to go into this other side. I also laid down my corners after I cut my wig. So yeah, back into this other side, get those baby hairs out, lay it down. Now I usually now your head. Now your head. A little big. Girlfriends, but okay, so yes, we are into cutting this other side of this lace. So again, guys, please be very careful when cutting if your scissors are fairly sharp. I do have professional scissors, so I have to be very careful not to cut myself. But yeah, we're going to cut this corning around your ear, making sure you know it's situated the way you like, and so forth. I think I made that face because I think I cut it too short, or I either didn't cut it sharp enough. But either way, I made it work. I did what it did. I did end up turning this wig into a middle part wig because I did not like the hump that it had going on right there. Yeah, so it was a side part wig, but it ended up turning into a middle part wig. And plucking it some more to my liking. And again, make sure when you go to tint your lace, it is the color of you, not darker or not tinted at all. Just make sure it is your shade, okay? That is all I'm saying, because I do think I also tinted my lace a little bit too dark, but it's okay if you do it too dark. There is a trick to it. I will leave it down in the comments below if you like. So yeah, so we're going to, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing here. I think I'm such a freaking picky person and so OCD that any piece of lace I see, it has to go. Like, if it shouldn't be there, it shouldn't be there. Gotta go. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here is me with it as a middle part, and I also put some pictures at the end to show you a few other pictures of other styles that I had. But yeah, here's the middle part. I did cut some more for the baby hairs, just a little bit to make it look a little bit more natural. But yeah, here's the middle part and the pictures on the end. Hope you guys like this video. Welcome to my channel, Little Bee on the Cam. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button and tell your friends. I love you guys. Welcome to my garden, sunflowers. Thank you. Love you. Bye.
Smoking trees, we could be